kiinteistösketju klubin kulma Meripuistokatu 16 in Kemistä staircase this has more staircase between 2018 43 42 78 35 but I haven't found any open staircase. They might be just service doors or something. Fifth floor. These doors are brand new. Finnish elevators from Finland got these film doors. They were Kone classic elevators, amazing. But without inner doors, not with automatic doors. 6 person, 525 kilograms. Basement. Let's change elevators. Dit pakje wijs. Between 2018 43 42 78 34. Fifth floor. Six person, 525 kilograms is picked by US, but then maintained by Kone.
Tässä on puhuttu.
No siellä on saanut istua.
Huono puoli. Ensimmäistä verotusten päiväopetusta saat, jos on joka...
Monen kertaa saa maksaa samalta verot.
Niin. Ja vielä ajaa.
Niin.
Ja maksaa ihan päivän palaa.
Kiitos.
Joo, näin se menee. Oikein.
Kemi's bad place to elevators. Most cities are locked up and quite few elevators, and I will go to Tornio also. It has over 50 elevators and now about locks. That's it.